If thinking about building a sales funnel makes you want to curl up in a ball and cry, you are not alone. Most of us spend weeks staring at blank pages or fighting with complicated software. But what if you could build a complete lead-getting funnel in just one day? And what if you could do it for the price of a cheap pizza? The Quick Start Funnel Guide claims it can fix your tech headaches forever. Let's see if it is true. Hey everyone, Kamal here from testedapps.com. I've spent the last 6 years testing software and marketing tools so you don't have to waste your money. I've seen the good, the bad, and the absolute garbage. Today, I'm doing a brutally honest review of the Quick Start Funnel Guide. No fluff, just real facts. Before we dive in, if you decide this guide is right for you, pick it up through the link in the description below. I've put together an exclusive bonus package that will help you get traffic to your new funnel fast. You can see the full details in the description box. So, what exactly is this thing? The Quick Start Funnel Guide is a step-by-step PDF training manual and system. It's designed for affiliate marketers, coaches, and creators who are stuck at zero. The main promise is bold. It claims you can go from a blank screen to a live working funnel in about 4 hours of actual work. And the best part? You use AI to do the heavy lifting, so you don't need to be a professional copywriter. The system breaks down into 3 dead simple steps. Step 1 is the setup. The guide shows you the exact tools to use. And no, you don't need to mortgage your house for expensive software. Step 2 is the creation. This is the cool part. You use their copy-paste AI prompts. You feed these into ChatGPT, and it writes your headlines, your emails, and your landing page copy for you. It's like having a marketing intern who works for free. Step 3 is the launch. You put the pieces together, turn on the traffic faucet, and start collecting leads. It removes all the guesswork. Here's what actually moves the needle with this product. First, speed. The biggest killer of success is overthinking. This guide forces you to focus. You're not building a spaceship, you're building a simple funnel. You get it done in 1 day, not 3 months. Second, the AI integration. Writing sales copy is painful. It's the reason most people quit. This guide gives you the exact prompts to make the AI sound like a human, not a robot. Third, the budget-friendly tech stack. The creator shows you how to use free or very cheap tools. You stop bleeding money on monthly subscriptions you don't even use yet. Now let's talk money. The front-end price for this guide is $9.95. That's a one-time payment. Let's compare that to the alternatives. Hiring a copywriter for just 1 email sequence, that'll cost you at least $500. Buying a course on funnel building, usually $97 or more. For less than $10, you get the strategy, the prompts, and the checklist. It's a no-brainer. There are a few optional upgrades in the funnel. First is the order bump for $7. It includes plug-and-play templates and a checklist. If you value your time, grab this. It speeds everything up. OTO 1 is the Funnel Copy Fastlane Toolkit for $27. This gives you 3 custom AI bots trained to write your content. If you want the AI to do 90% of the work, this is a smart buy. OTO 2 is a done with you setup for $197. This is a 1-hour coaching call where they help you build it live. If tech scares you to death, this is worth it. Here's my personal take. I've built hundreds of funnels over the years. The biggest mistake I see beginners make is trying to be too fancy. They want the spinning logos and the complicated automations. This guide brings you back to reality. Simple funnels convert better, period. This system focuses on the only metric that matters, getting a lead onto your email list. However, I need to be real with you. This is not a magic button. You can't just buy the PDF, put it under your pillow, and wake up rich. You actually have to read it. You have to open your laptop. You have to do about 4 hours of work. Also, this is text-based training. If you hate reading and only learn by watching videos, you might find this boring. But if you want to scan fast and implement, it's perfect. Imagine waking up tomorrow with your funnel actually live. Imagine seeing that first subscriber notification pop up on your phone. That is the feeling of momentum. Stop overthinking. Stop planning. Just get it done. The Quick Start Funnel Guide gives you the roadmap. You just have to drive the car. If you want to grab this guide and my custom bonuses, the link is right below this video. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I reply to as many as I can. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. This is Kamal from testedapps.com. I'll see you in the next one.